Hello and welcome back to the channel. Thanks for stopping by today. Hope you all are having just the best Saturday. Hope you're getting your shopping done, your cleaning done, or whatever it is you decided today. And if you decided to do nothing, enjoy that too. Today, I'm here with some project shares for 2 open collabs. The first one is 2 crafters, 1 design, and there are 3 ladies that are sponsoring it, and I'll put the information down in the bottom so you can go and check out their channels. Also, check out the hashtags for inspiration. The second one is satmornmakes, and that one is sponsored by Jill Norwood, and I'll put her information down in the bottom. The 2 crafter, 1 design open collab this week had a prompt. And the prompt was use buttons. So this is my card. I made a couple of cards. And I had buttons in my stash. These flowers are actually buttons. I cut the backs off and I put them on my card. I did a little bit of embossing on the back, but I left it white because I just wanted the interest back there. I added this button who's a cardinal. And it's always good to see cardinals. And I put these fabric leaves here. And this is a dollar store sticker here for this. So this is my first one. And it says, where all good things grow. My second one is this one. And it's a little baking tin filled with goodies. I added these gingerbread buttons here. There are cookies here for Santa, some stuff for Santa. Also, I added some festive leaves. There's a little cookie reindeer that's peeking out from behind. And I really loved how this one came out. My next one is, I found this little Christmas tree somewhere and I liked it. And I said, okay, let's just put a nice background, add some buttons, and it'll come out really cute, and I think it did. So this is a Christmas greeting, and I'm going to use this card, and I added all my buttons for its decorations. And my last card is, I made one like this last year, and I was looking through my pictures to see what it was, and I got out my little reindeer again, did a little background with more little reindeers back there, and he's a baby Rudolph. It's Rudolph when he was a baby, before he even got to pull that sleigh. So there he is with his red button nose, his button, this is a button too, and it's a bow. Did a little glossy accents on his feet and add winter wishes. So these are my tags for satmornmakes and for 2 crafters, 1 design. So don't forget to check out the hashtag to see what the other makers are doing. I'll put the information below for everyone who are the sponsors or hostesses of this. I request that you have a great Saturday. Enjoy your Sunday. Be the reason somebody smiles. And I'll see you all in my next video. Bye now.